Today, we'll play around with Flux Kontext. We already have an image of a woman loaded. For the prompt, let's type, woman slightly smiling. Now, we cue it. The woman starts to smile, but honestly, it's not very beautiful. Flux Kontext has managed to keep her face consistent, but it struggles to maintain her beauty. Alright, let's try a different prompt. The woman is holding her head. We cue it again, and wait. It's quite fast, since I'm using Flux Turbo LoRa with just 8 steps. Now the same woman appears, holding her head, and her face and look remain consistent. Flux Kontext is amazing for storyboards and cinematics. I should probably start making movies soon. Let me know in the comments. Should I make a full movie? Next, let's try the prompt. Woman sitting on a park bench. And here she is. The same woman, same face, now sitting on a bench. That's the power of Flux Kontext. Thanks for watching. I'll stop the video now and keep playing with it. Bye-bye.